Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Notepad missing problem in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start. Here type optional features. Open optional features. Now here click on View Features. Search Notepad. You will see Notepad system. Select it and here click on Next and here click on Install. So this way you can install Notepad in your Windows 11. And if you have already Notepad, so firstly uninstall and restart your system and install again with similar method. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.